times people make, go ahead.
It's shown on the screen there. Which sometimes it gets off.
Yeah, no, for some reason, like I see the little tiny one, so there you go. All right, so the timing of your upsells. All right, why does that matter? Well, a lot of times if you look, people put the upsells in the cart and they say, oh, well, that adds to my average order value. The problem is if they're not paying attention to when those happen, a lot of times that reduces your conversions. So you're actually getting less customers even though you're getting a little bit more per. It's like a false positive. So what we did is we created an app for e-commerce where it offers it right on the product page. So depending on the upsell, and I'm going to give you a couple of stats from this particular one and why you should really think through this. Offering it on the product page doesn't hurt the conversions at all because they're still browsing. They don't have something in their cart. And if it's congruent, they don't have to leave and go do the research on the next product that you're trying to offer. A lot of times that's what we see is whatever they're offering in the cart requires them to find more information before they can make the decision. So they leave the cart, they get distracted, and it causes you conversions. So this particular one, if you look, it's a seatbelt for a dog, and what this site sells is a dog harness. Like it's a one-product site, does millions of dollars a year. So you click the little button, see the safety belt, it pops up a window, gives them a really good description of exactly what it is, and then you can just add it to your order without ever leaving the product page. So this particular upsell, 22% take it, 22% more take it with that red box that's on it. It's only 3% of the revenue, but it's 13% of the net profit. Because it's a $10 upsell, but she only got $1 in it. So she's adding an extra $9 per sale. And the site does about $17 million a year. So it's substantial. It's hundreds of thousands of dollars.